Howdy, this is Mrs. Dockett, and I'm back with another strategy and model for adding 2-digit plus 2-digit numbers with and without regrouping. Today we're going to be looking at a hundreds 20 chart. Could just be a hundreds chart though, and how to add. My first example will be without regrouping, and the second one will be with regrouping. So starting with this one, we have 31 plus 12. I find the greatest add-in, 31, and I'm going to circle that number on my number chart. Then I'm going to add my second number, but I'm going to check off the 31 knowing I've already done it. Tens place, I need one group of 10, and I know on a hundreds chart if I move down one row, I've added 10. 31 plus 10 is 41. Check it off. And now I need to move to the right 2. 1, 2. That is 43. So that means, and I check off my ones, my answer to 31 plus 12 is 43. Now, this is excellent for small numbers where their sum is going to be below 120. Okay. Now, let me show you what happens if we start getting some bigger numbers. Let's try 23 plus 48. So I find the greatest add-in, which is 48, so I'm going to start there. Check off my 48. I'm going to add two groups of 10. Down 1, down 2. Now I need to move to the right 3. 1, 2, uh-oh. Well, we know that we just dropped down to the next row, and the next number after 70 is 71. So wait a minute. 1, 2, 71, that's our answer. Now you may be thinking, well, Miss Dockett, could they do it the other way? Could they start at 23 and add 48? And yes, they can do that way as well if they would like. We start at 23. We move down 4 rows, 10, 20, 30, 40. And now we need to go to the right 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And we still end up at 71. Like I said before, while this is a great strategy to be used and a model to be used when the sums are under 120 or less than 100, it is not a very efficient model for students to fall back on all the time. So while yes, we'll teach it and we do expect them to be able to follow it, this is one that we will allow students to learn, master, and move on pretty quick so they can use other more efficient models and strategies to solve these equations. Thanks for watching this 2x2 digit addition using chunking and our hundreds 20s chart. I will have other strategies available on my site. Thanks.